everyone, this is Suganya from Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Today we are going to discuss about Python programming. Introduction to Python. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python supports multiple programming paradigms including procedural, object-oriented and function programming. Key features of Python. Python is open source, allowing developers worldwide to contribute and improve it. It has a large standard library that supports many common programming tasks. Literals in Python. Literals are data items that have a fixed value. Python supports several kinds of literals. String literal, numerical, boolean literals, constant values which cannot change, can help the source code similar to understand. If updates are needed and constant values are used, they only need updating once. Variables, values which can change. The name of a variable can be sort as a single letter but cannot be a single number. The name of a variable can start with a letter or an underscore. After the first character, any letters, numbers or underscore can be used. Identifier. An identifier is a sequence of one or more characters used to name a given program elements. Python is case sensitive. Identifier may contain letters and digits but cannot begin with a digit. The underscore character is allowed but it should not be used as a first character. Space are not allowed as a part of an identifier. Keywords. Keywords are the reversed words in Python. We cannot use a keywords as a variable name, function name or any other identifier. Define the syntax and structure of the Python language. In Python, keywords are case sensitive. There are 33 keywords in Python. All the keywords except true, false, none in the lower case and they must written as they are. The list of all keywords in given: false, else, import, break, class, in, raise, return, try, while, with, from, def, del. Data types in Python. Yet data types represent the type of data stored in variable or memory. The data types which are already available in Python language are called built-in data types. The data types which are created by programs are called user-defined data types. Built-in data types. Non-numerical sequence set mapping. Commands. Python has commanding capability for the purpose of in-code documentation. Commands start with hashtag and Python will the rest of the line as a command. Types of operator: arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, special operators. Expression: a combination of operands and operators is called an expression. The expression in Python procedure, some values are result after being interrupted by the Python interrupted. Types of expression in Python: constant, arithmetic, integral, floating, relational, logical expression. Array. An array is an mutable object with store a collection of values of same data type under a single reference. An array stored only homogeneous data type. Python array is dynamic array. In Python, we need declaration of array before use it in program. Control statement. Control statement in Python are used for managing the flow of execution. Selection, branching statement, iteration statement, jumping statement. The following are the control statements available in Python: if else, if else, while loop, for loop, break statement, continue, pause statement, return statement. Thank you.